You might have all the equipment I am going to mention in this video, but the problem is you never knew you can use them, or you felt they are not going to serve you. And if you don't have any of these equipment I am going to mention today, don't worry, because you can easily get them just like this. Yeah. Hello, I am Victory. If this is the first time you are seeing this face, welcome to my YouTube channel, and to my old subscribers, welcome back. If you are dreaming of creating content but get discouraged by all these heavy equipment that big creators use, after this video you will be creating your own content, because we'll be exploring the must-have tools for creating content without breaking the bank. So the number one on our list here is your smartphone camera. If you want to create video content, you need a camera, and that phone you are using to watch me right now, you can use the camera to create content. Wait, I know what you are thinking. You have just Android phone, right? Calm down. I am currently using an Android phone to film this video. I have never used a camera. So you can use an Android phone. You can use Techno, you can use Redmi, you can use Samsung. Yeah, I think there is only brand I know. I don't really know about itel because I have never used it, but I've used these phones and they are very good. All you have to do is to set the camera very well, and sincerely I would advise a phone that have a video resolution of at least 1080. It shouldn't be lesser than 1080. I'm currently filming with 1080. If you want me to show you my camera setup, like all my video setup, you can tell me in the comment section and I will create that video specifically for you. Number 2 on our list is mini tripod. You need tripod because of stability. Imagine you are watching this video and it's going left, right, go front, back. No, you just have to use tripod for stability. You must not have tripod, so you can use anything in your house. You can use a table, you can use your window. Yes, I use my window to place my phone when I started content creation. You can see the one on my screen, right, is my torchlight. It's not actually good again, you're supposed to throw it out, but because of content creation I have to keep it. Yeah, if you don't have something like this, you should have books, right? You can stack up your books to the level you want it to be, then place your phone there. This mini tripod, there are a lot of them online, but I actually bought my own. My sister saw it online, but we went offline to pick it up. I bought it for 6.5, so depending on your location, depending on who you are buying it from. So number 3 on our list is lighting. I am currently filming in my room and there is no light coming inside. My window is closed and you can see me because I am using a light. I am currently using a 10 inches ring light. There are bigger ring lights, right? But I have my reason for opting for this 10 inches. At least even when I don't have power, I will be able to use my ring light. Other ring lights, you have to plug them to a power supply for it to work. But this my ring light particularly, I can use it anytime, any day, whether there's light or there is no light. But for you, if you don't have ring light, I advise you to utilize natural lights, either sunlight or just natural light. Can't you see how beautiful this particular one is? It's actually raining, there is no sun, and it's 9 a.m. in the morning. Look at it, it's still bright and clear. Imagine if there is sunlight. So even if you have sunlight or you don't have sunlight, provided you have natural light, you have an open window or an open space, you can create content. Number 4 on our list is your microphone. You need it for a clear and good audio quality. It's very important. Like I'm just doing like this and I'm talking, you can hear me even if you are not seeing me, right? Even if your camera is not that clear, even if the video is not that stable, because content creators that explore, that travel, they can even be moving around, it's not stable, but at least you can hear them, right? When I started, I did not actually start with a microphone. I know how to improve my audio quality to be very, very good, but the app that I was using moved from free to Pro. I am working towards moving to the Pro, but for the now I decided to get a microphone. It's K35 microphone. There are a lot of them that are like this. They can serve you for now. My sister also saw it online and she went to pick it up for me. I got it for 14,000 naira. This is just one, so if maybe you want to interview someone, you can just get the one that have two pair inside, depending on the type of content you create. There are a lot of them that are K9, that are lavalier. I actually love lavalier, but I have to go for this. The app went on a Pro the very day I am supposed to film. That is why I opt for this, but it's good. Apart from improving your audio quality, also your background noise, depending on your environment. So right now, tricycles, vehicles are passing just here, and I don't know how the audio is right now, but I know that you cannot hear anything from there, and it's courtesy of this microphone. So number 5 on our list here is your background. There are a lot of places in this room to film with, right? But I feel here is the place I can work with. So you just have to look for a better place in your room to position your phone and film. If you have a plain background, perfect. If you have any background anywhere at all, good. There is this particular place in your room that can help you. You know, I talked about window. So if you are using your window, meaning the back should be at least okay, somewhere you can use. But if you're not creating a headshot video just like I am doing now, maybe you are dancing, you are teaching people how to make cake, how to cook, then that environment you want to use, it should be somewhere that you'll be okay with, right? Not after filming you will not be reluctant whether to post it or not because of your background. It should be somewhere presentable, and if possible you can avoid movements. Imagine as you are watching me now, then my sister is now walking behind. It doesn't make sense. So even if she does, I'm going to cut it off. Number 6 on our list is your notebook. Yes, you need your notebook. Yes, we use script so that we will not go out of line. At least you write down that, just like the way I said number 1, number 2, I have to put it number 1 here, number 2, number 3, number 4, right? Imagine I did not put it here. I can just be talking where I wanted to be number 1 will now go to number 5, then number 5 will now come to number 1. So you write these things down for you to be organized. You don't just want to be talking for talking's sake. So you need your notebook to write down your ideas. You also need your notebook to write down your scripts you are going to follow. It's very important. I know you are good at what you do, right? But script down. You might forget something. After making the videos, remember that I did not say this. And secondly, for the sake of being organized. Number 7 on our list is video editing app. You heard me make mention of video editing app that I use, right? Yes, you need video editing app to put your videos in order, to remove the mistakes, to improve and to make it better. For example, you filmed with 1080 camera. There's some video editing app that you edit and also export with 2K, 4K. If everything I'm saying here is not really making sense, then you should watch my last video. It's straight to the point video, so you can check anywhere around your screen. I will also leave the link in the description for you to go watch how to become a content creator, so that you will not just have the equipment and get stuck. You understand, right? Yeah, so you need video editing apps. There are a lot of them. We have InShot, we have CapCut. Number 8 on our list is power bank. If you are in Nigeria, seriously, when I was making this video, the power went off. I'm going to show you. I'm not removing it. So I have to start using my power bank before the lights came back. Imagine you want to create a content, then NEPA in Nigeria disappoints you. How are you going to film? But if you have power bank, you just have to store your power there. You can charge your phone, you can create content. If you're using sunlight, you have a great advantage more than me, right? You just have to charge your phone, face the natural light and film your content. But me, I need the power bank to charge my microphone, to charge my phone, to use my ring light in case there is no light. So it's not stopping me. Don't give excuse that we don't have light in my area, I don't have light in my house, that is why I'm not creating content. Invest in power banks. So number 9 on our list are advanced equipment. As your content creation career grows, try and invest on advanced equipment. You can invest on cameras. There are a lot of them. I have not used cameras, so I cannot just come here and recommend, but most creators recommend Canon, some of them recommend Sony, depending on what works for them. So invest on that. You can also invest on microphones, high microphones too, not just this particular microphone that I showed you. You can also invest on studio lighting. There are a lot of setup. You can see backlights, major lights, these lights, that light, a lot of them in that setup, right? So you just have to know them, invest in them. They have batteries. A lot of them have batteries for you to invest in, even if you have power supply or you don't have. Although most of those batteries don't last. As you grow, you will know the necessary things you need. That is the truth. The number 10 on our list is yourself. Yeah, very important. Imagine all these I mentioned, you did not take action. The tools are important, the equipment are important, everything is important. This content creation equipment, they need you for them to work. You have to bring out yourself. Don't let anything hold you back at all. And I know you are going to take action. I am rooting for you to take action. So take action. Tell me in the comment section the type of content you create, the equipment you have already, and any equipment that is holding you back. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification for more content creation tips that will help you enjoy this journey and career. I don't want you to get tired. I want you to be consistent and get big results. So stick around. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.